Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you can Samsung Galaxy A06 handle Honkai Star Rail. Let's check it out. I have already installed this game from Play Store, so I will simply open it. Let's go in settings, graphic settings. As you can see here, everything is on low. Let's do it on medium. I am selecting 60 FPS. Now let's play the game.
When did the antimatter legion become so weak? I could only attract this much. Did you really want the entire legion to come here?
This game is lagging on medium setting. Now let's play this game on low settings. As you can see, graphics quality and resolution is on medium. Now let's do it on low. As you can see, now everything is on low. Now let's play the game.
Never last. Time to say bye. Cleaning up other people's notes is my job description. You know, Contra? The central area of the space station is up ahead. There will be lots of Legion Void Rangers there. Okay. Stand still.
I have played this game both on medium and low graphics. It is lagging on medium graphics, but it is working smooth on low graphics. So yes, Samsung Galaxy A06 handle Honkai Star Rail on low graphics. If you like the gaming insights, please like the video and subscribe the channel.